I'm glad you asked that, kasi ilang beses ko lang sinasabi ito, parang hindi na naiintindihan ng mga ibang kasama natin. Kaya si Kongro dito, naiintindihan na eh. Hindi kailangan eh. Kasi allowed already. Remember, I'm the principal author of 9165, the Public Act 9165, which is the Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002. It's allowed. Even in I'll read to you the copy of the, nagpagawa nga ako, parang kopya para pagka-ilaran nila. Napakadami nag-iisip na, kailangan daw i-legalize na yung medical marijuana, ganyan. Tapos, di ba, nabanggit pa ni Miss Universe tuloy na medical, pwede, pagka-suppressional, hindi. Correct, that's what is in the law already. It's allowed already. May proseso lang. Di ba? So, dapat malaman nila